Oscar John Chihika, a senior partner under Biencha Chihika and Company Advocates, is one of the team of 40 prominent lawyers who President Museveni has lined up to defend his election victory at the Supreme Court. Having been part of the legal team that battled out almost a similar case in 2006, Chihika argues that although the case filed by Go Foward Presidential candidate Amama Mbabazi might not be a walkover, their team will promptly execute a winning defense.
We are ready. We are ready for this court battle. We are ready. But you know, having argued prepared for a petition, similar petition previously, I doubt that it's going to be any much different. But I'm just talking in general terms, that the grounds are likely to be not too different from those that were presented to the court in 2006. The facts obviously are different.
He says the NRM legal team has all along expected a court battle and thus been preparing to argue their case.
We have had enough time to look at all the issues, to guide the party on how this election should have been, what to run and stuff like that. So, I mean, we're pretty much ready as we can be.
In the petition, Mbabazi cites malpractices, among them bribery, threats of violence, abusive language, arbitrary arrests of candidates and their supporters, as well as forced disappearances, all said to have been committed by candidate Yoweri Museveni and his agents.
Our client followed the law in all material respects during the campaigns and even before the campaigns. He's a person who follows the law to the letter. And I'm pretty confident that I would be surprised or shocked if they brought up any evidence to the contrary. But of course, the petitioners claim that they have the evidence. Let them bring it, let it be tested. We are ready to challenge that evidence.
Chihika argues that such a petition calls for a lot of input from both sides, the petitioner and the defense.
The petitioner has got to really bring good grounds to the court and satisfy the court that there indeed were enough irregularities to justify the cancellation or the reversal of the results.
Oscar Chihika and others, including Hussein Kashirinji, Chiriowa Chwanuka, Edwin Karujire, Enoch Barata and James Mukasa Sebugenyi plus more will defend Museveni's victory once the 30 days case kicks off. Now, according to Ugandan laws, election petitions such as this one must be handled expeditiously, and this one in particular must be handled within 30 days. The country now awaits a legal showdown between John Patrick Amama Mbabazi and Yoweri Museveni's smart teams of lawyers as they tussle it out right here at the Supreme Court before a bench of 9. I'm Moses Walgembe, NBS, live at 9.